everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you deactivate your Pinterest account. So let's start up the process. Open up your Pinterest app. Now tap on profile icon at the right bottom of the screen. Then tap on profile icon at the left top of the screen. Now here you can see first option, account management. Tap on this option. Now at the second last you can see deactivate account. Tap on this option to deactivate your account. Deactivating your account means no one will see your prints on your profile and you wouldn't be linked to YouTube, Instagram anymore. Tap on continue to deactivate your account. Now tap on any reason and tap on deactivate account option to deactivate your account. If you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials.